Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to fix Monopoly Go invite friends not working. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if your Monopoly Go invite friend feature isn't working, then the best way possible to fix it is to simply refresh game links and app permissions. So first of all, simply force close and reopen the app to see if this problem still persists. And if it does, then simply check your internet connection. Use a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection and switch between them to test if the issue is network related. Now, after this, you can simply try to update your Monopoly Go as well and check for app permissions like contacts, Facebook accounts, storage, and stuff like that, and reconnect with your Facebook or contacts. So once you have done this, you can simply try to clear the cache as well, and this problem should simply be fixed. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.